What's up, people? Coins Magician here. If you watched my previous video, I showed you a trick known as coins across. And today, this video is going to reveal how that is done. Remember, in the video, don't forget to subscribe and put a like to my video. If you don't like it, just do it anyway. I could really use the help. And let's get started. Okay. So, this is how the trick really works. There's actually 5 coins, as you can see. The trick is easier than it looks, don't worry. All you gotta learn is the basic palm. You see, you have one hand here, when you push this into your hand, you squeeze the muscles of your hand together, and naturally it stays there. There's a little pocket that holds it in place. That's the main secret to this trick. The trick is pretty simple, it's easier than it looks. So first, you palm this into your dominant hand, and then you get on with the trick. So show the 4 coins, here's the move. 1, 2, 3, on the 4th point, here's the move. You're actually putting that in a palming position, and then you rotate. Now, if you notice, this one was already palmed. Keep that in palming position. Palm that, and then give it a shake. And now the coins seem to teleport from one hand to the other. But really, you palm an extra coin in this hand. Once that is done, you would repeat the move, but this time a little different. As you do the rotation, you're actually transferring the coin from this hand to this hand. Then you place that into your hand. Once that is done, you do the same thing here. 1, 2, and 3, and you do that palming position again. Give it a shake, and it's going to be covered once more. Now, this is the easy version for this part. You would place 1, 2 coins. Here's the move. You transfer these coins from this hand to that one, but really, here's what I'm doing in reality. This coin is palmed. You count the coins, drop those in the palm coins, drop it back. Most people find it completely invisible. Next, you take these two, 1 and 2, just like so. Give it a shake, and if you know it's kind of palmed, so they seem to teleport. Now, finale is the tricky part. Once I get tricky, the last part is. So you got 1, 2, and 3 coins. Do that transfer the same thing as before, but if you notice now, there are 4 coins. But they don't know that. So you place the coins in front of them or in their closed hand, and they don't know it's actually 4. Now, the next move, there's different ways you can do it. You can do the eternal vanish, which is what I did. You can do the retention vanish, or you can just do a basic, which this is a technique I never quite understood. Well, I understand it, but it's harder than it looked, called the French drop, which was never impressive. I prefer the retention vanish, but probably the easiest of the vanishes was the tunnel vanish, which I learned from Howcast. If you go on YouTube, they have a video tutorial on it and other vanishes. It all depends on how you do your magic. Once you have that coin vanished, you keep that palmed in your hand, and you say, wait a minute, if one coin vanished, then there should be, wait a minute, I think join the other coin leaving 4 quarters. You'd think that was 3 in the first place, but actually it was 4. It's all about acting. Once that is done, you say, they went across, and that was the end of the trick. But the trick always seemed to amaze my audience at school, so if you practice, you can amaze people to have fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.